दिस इज़ योर होस्ट, जहाँ डार्कनेस सिर्फ अंधेरा नहीं होता, कभी कभी वो जिंदगी भी होती है. सो फास्टन योर हार्ट बीट्स, क्योंकि अब शुरू हो रही है हॉरर की न्यू पॉडकास्ट कहानी. एंड आज मेरे साथ में राबिया. कैसी है राबिया?
एकदम मस्त, बढ़िया, सब ठीक.
That's
Hi
good.
guys, this is Rabia from Bangalore.
एंड आज राबिया के पास सम रियली गुड एक्सपीरियंस कहानीज है जो उसने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया है, जो आउट ऑफ विच 1 or 2 आर टू स्कैरी.
Too scary, yes.
स्पेशली वो जो तूने मेरे को बताया था व्हेन यू वेंट फॉर द टी ब्रेक,
Yes.
दैट
the
वाज
cheesy one.
नेक्स्ट लेवल. एंड द सेकंड वन जब तूने मेरे को वो नर्स वाली बताई थी,
Oh, that is like I shit in my pants.
oh god.
Oh my god, that's very scary.
Let's see, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, very positive on this. So राबिया बता, फिर तेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस बता जो तूने मेरे को बताई थी.
I'm getting goosebumps, to be very honest.
Same here. It's too cold, guys. It's Bangalore.
Way too cold. Bangalore is weathering.
That's
So
true.
yeah. So 5 लोग थे हम लोग, निकले थे चलो चाय पी के आते हैं. And then we wanted to experience a Banalghata ice. I've been in Bangalore, I've brought up in Bangalore, born and brought up in Bangalore. Never been to Banalghata. I know it's funny guys, but never been to Banalghata. So we thought, why don't we experience a nightlife in Banalghata? We thought, okay, Banalghata will be, silent and all.
Chill.
हम लोग निकले चिल करने के लिए, चलो चाय पी के आते हैं, हिता मार के आते हैं.
That's it.
हम लोग गए. And we were traveling. We thought, okay, fine, let's stop in a way, peaceful, calm, out of city. Let's, chill. So we stopped the car, and we all were standing. We were like about 5 people.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, 5 people. So what we did is we thought, okay, we'll stand, we will talk, we'll chill around. So we were all standing. People are having smokes, and when we were standing. Unfortunately, एक चीज हुआ कि that we had a tamarind tree in front of us. And next to a tamarind tree, the entire lane there's only one street light. And then what happened is we're talking about office life, and all of a sudden I heard a whispering sound on the right side. I turned behind and I checked कि कौन है. I kept quiet. And I had one of my friend, I will not name it. So then he also felt the same thing. So he turned towards me and asked, Rabia, stop doing these things. What am I doing? I swear on God, it's not me. Because even he had the same thing. कि किसी ने पीछे से बुलाया.
So,
And we all like freaked out. Oh shit, what's happening? And then I'm like, Siddiq, do you think that it's the right time? To be exact, precise, it was 2:30-ish. Around 2:30-ish.
guys, अभी बज रहा है रात के 3 बज रहे. If you can just look, it's 3 o'clock at night.
So 2:30-ish, and then talking again, we ignored. Obviously, it's too many trees and सुनसान है जगह, तो हमको लगा कि कोई होगा. There's a and bird which makes sounds in the night. So okay, ठीक है, कुछ होगा. And then we kept on talking, and then I realized again someone tapping on my back. Just a tap on my shoulder, and I look around and there is no one. But मैंने बचपन से सुना है ना कि मम्मी कहती है कि अगर किसी ने पीछे से आवाज दिया तो मुड़ के मत देखो. So, but I still thought, I was very curious to know कि क्या हो रहा है. And then I gave signal to one of my friends. Is something wrong? And then one of my friend who was like freaking out. He's like, guys, I'm sitting in the car. He went and he sat in the car. और फिर हम लोग सिट्टा वट्टा मार रहे हैं, तो मुझे ना ऐसा लगा just seeing away कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. Very far away ना, I saw one person walking around. मतलब he's coming, he or she, not precise.
No idea.
No idea. He's coming, he or she is coming towards us. Shadow was दिख रहा है. I'm like, okay, shadow दिख रहा है. And then I could hear the chain sound. Chai. This is not normal. This is not normal. I'm telling them, right, there's something wrong. And they're shutting my mouth saying that, no, it is not that, Rabia. There should be, animals or a cat or a dog. Like, इतनी रात को, मतलब 2:30 रात को थोड़ी ना बिल्ली सड़क से. Exactly. And then हम लोग ने क्या किया, निकल गए. It's not safe for us. Let's leave the killing that. And then कोइंसिडेंटली ना उसके कार में पेट्रोल खत्म हो रहा था. तो बनरघट्टा से निकले हम लोग और वहां पर एक शेल पेट्रोल पंप है. हम लोग ने वहां कराया. Unfortunately again, there's a graveyard next to Shell petrol bunk. And we all are not aware about it. We are still freaking out. I am freaking out. My head is paining. My left side completely paining. The same thing for my friend. It's paining her like full headache and stuff like that. तो हम लोग ने पेट्रोल डलाया. We took ice cream, so eating ice cream. And then we realized that his car, my friend's car, is completely clean enough every time. And then we realized there's a handprint on the car. We all tried fitting our hands. It is way bigger than our palm. And then we realized, oh shit, did we do mistake going there? Are we everyone normal? First we checked around कि सब लोग normal है कि नहीं है. And then हमको पता चला कि बाजू में graveyard है. I was freaked out. And then चुपचाप हम लोग निकल गए. घर निकल गए और फिर घर निकलने के बाद two people who noticed that there is something happening. Me and my friend. I with fever, not able to get up, not able to know how to do anything. Next day, office आने का मन ही नहीं था हम लोगों को because we were having a high temperature fever. दोनों को. We called up each other. We were like talking, and then we decided okay, there is something wrong. And like okay, yeah, there's something wrong. This is what happened. I mean, like it was shit scary. Yeah.
Obviously, यार रात के 2 बजे 2-3 बज रहे and you are seeing a handprint. Of course, वो मतलब पहले भी रह सकता था, but you are seeing a person.
हमने देखा नहीं है. अगर पहले होता तो we should have noticed it, but we didn't notice it.
And you also said his car is always clean.
Clean, always.
कभी वो डस्टिंग नहीं रखता अपनी कार.
नहीं रखता है.
There was no one around
Yeah.
also, so. Of course, अब मैं बनरघट्टा गया हूँ. It's जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है, it's a sanctuary, right? It's a wildlife sanctuary, and it's like animals are all over. So एक छोटा सा रास्ता है ना वहाँ पे, and animal crossing. So it's not ज़्यादा लाइट्स नहीं रहती वहाँ पे.
हाँ, बहुत कम लाइट्स रहती है. 1-2 स्ट्रीट लाइट्स.
That's true. और I guess अभी वो बैरिकेड भी लगा है ना वहाँ पे. You can't enter.
You can't enter बनरघट्टा because it's not safe.
I've heard that it's all about animals, but yeah.
This is something different again.
That's true.
For a story of life. Yeah.
Right.
Scary. Shit scary.
रब रखा तुम लोग 4-5 लोग थे.
Yeah, I'm like touch wood that
That's-
thank God. I don't know whose prayers with us, but yeah. आज हम लोग घर आ गए safe.
That's true.
That's
मतलब
something. वरना फिर ऑफिस पे कंप्लेंट हो जाता.
4 लोग खा गए. 15 मिनट का ब्रेक पंच करके गए सर.
15 मिनट का या हाफ एन आवर का डाउट करते हैं लोग. But yeah.
15 मिनट बाद तो क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि अब गायब कहाँ है ये लोग. Crazy यार.
True that. Yeah, that was one experience. Our second experience is when I've always studied in this convent. Schooling is also convent, college is also convent. It's always believed that convent is always built on a graveyard. I don't know how far it is true or how far it is false.
Catholic schools रहते हैं ना.
Catholics, pure Catholics. Only sisters, no fathers, only sisters. I studied in those kind of schools. So I believe I was in like 8th or 9th standard or something, and then I was in state syllabus 8th, 9th. ICIC used to log out. I mean, log out in the sense छुट्टी बहुत जल्दी हो जाती थी उन लोगों की, एंड हमारी थोड़ी लेट होती थी. तो हम लोग ने ऐसी कहानी सुने थे. तो you remember this Ouija board where you draw this and stuff like that. स्पिरिट्स को बुलाते हैं, आ जाओ करके. We thought it's fake. Obviously बचपन में सबको लगता है क्या ये झूठ होगा.
8th 9th में थे.
हाँ 8th 9th में. This is scary. And हम लोग there are like 6 people. हम लोग सोचे थे हाँ चलो. So washroom होगा हम लोगों का. वॉशरूम में हम लोगों को उधर जाना पड़ता था. ऐसा नहीं किया. बिल्डिंग में ही वॉशरूम है. हमको नीचे उतर के पीछे के रास्ते से जाके वॉशरूम जाना पड़ता था. तो हम लोग ने क्या किया, ड्यूटी हो गया. I believe 3:30 हम लोगों का स्कूल एंड होता था. तो उसके बाद यूज स्पेशल क्लासेस एंड यूज टू पीछे चल के हम लोग बैठे पेपर लिए. पूजा बोर्ड ड्रॉ किया. कुछ तो बोलते थे ब्लेडी मेरी कुछ तो होता था.
That is for mirror, I guess. If you want, just say her name thrice. मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, सामने अपने मिरर है.
Exactly. Like,
It's not. Talk about it.
No, I'm scared.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो ऐसा हुआ तो कॉर्न वॉर्न रखे एंड देन किसी ने तो पेन होता है काट तो नहीं सकते थे, वी नेवर हैड सो मच ऑफ गट्स कि काटना है. तो हम लोग ने क्या किया, एक पिंच हुआ था, ब्लड आया एंड देन सब ब्लड आया तो हम लोग ब्लड ऐसे कुछ तो आई वाज लाइक फ्रीक्ड आउट. आई वाज जैक शिट स्कैर्ड अबाउट गोस्ट. अगर आप मुझे घर पे छोड़ दो ना, आई वुड नेवर स्टे. आई वांट ऑल द लाइट्स ऑन माय हाउस. तो उस दिन आई डोंट नो वेयर आई गॉट दिस स्ट्रेंथ फ्रॉम. हम लोग किए करने में ना, ऑल ऑफ द सडन आई डोंट नो व्हाई वन ऑफ द गर्ल्स स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग वेरी वियर्डली. करने के बाद ही शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. वो क्राइंग मतलब नॉर्मल क्राइंग नहीं होता है, वो बोलते हैं ना कि जब बच्चा रोता है तो कैसे, शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग इन दैट वे. एंड ही मतलब होता है ना पीछे से एक आवाज आती है बहुत जोर से. इट हैपेंड लाइक दैट एंड वी ऑल डिसअपियर्ड. When we all disappeared and then the next day investigation of school में सब क्या हो रहा है, तुम लोग बच्चे हो, यूट्यूब देख के आ जाते हो करने, तुम लोग क्या है, पेरेंट्स को सब फोन लगाने लगे. थैंक गॉड मैं नहीं थी उस पर, बट देन इट वाज माय फ्रेंड. तब तक मैं भाग गई थी. जैसे उसने फोन डाला ना, आई वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू शूट बिकॉज आई वाज शिट स्कैर्ड. एंड देन व्हेन जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन सब हुआ ना, तभी ना देयर वाज लाइक जो फुटप्रिंट होता है ना, फुटप्रिंट होता है, दे सॉ दैट नॉट दैट लिटिल फुटप्रिंट्स, बिग फुट. हम लोग शू पहने, शू का मार्क होना चाहिए वहां पर. शू का मार्क नहीं था वहां पर, लाइक लिटरली ना फुट का मार्क था. एंड दैट्स व्हेन देयर 2 people सस्पेंडेड. एंड देन ये सुनने में आया कि those people had vomiting going on, like very bad vomiting, and they were hospitalized for like straight like 3-4 years. Oh, horror.
कॉन्वेंट स्कूल्स तो इवन मेरा भी 12th स्कूलिंग कॉन्वेंट से हुआ है.
Oh, nice. Have you ever experienced?
ऐसा तो स्कूल्स में नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ. So there's a very famous place where I'm from, Mumbai, Alibag.
Alibag, I've always heard about Alibag. Paranormal city.
It's like, तो मेरी एक दोस्त है, अच्छी दोस्त थी. अभी हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत ऑन एंड ऑफ बात करते हैं. Her name is Shivani, okay? And उसके पापा she is proper from मतलब गावन, अलीबाग. So उसके पापा ने एक बार एक्सपीरियंस किया था. They are like, हम लोग के यहाँ पे एक सेइंग भी है. So एक रास्ता रहता है, पुल रहता है नदी के ऊपर. So once he saw a woman or lady, I don't know, उसने ना उससे बीड़ी मांगी. बीड़ी is a kind of a cigarette, okay?
Which is wrapped around with the leaf kind. Okay.
तो उसने बोला बीड़ी दे, तो बीड़ी दे दिया उन्होंने. Then she insisted कि मेरे को लाइट करके भी दे दे. I need matchsticks also या लाइटर कुछ भी दे मेरे को. And he heard and ignored. ब्रिज खत्म होने को आया तो उन लोग का भी एक रेडियस रहता है, ठीक है? You cross the radius and they will not bother you. And वो ब्रिज जैसे ही उन्होंने क्रॉस किया ना, तो मराठी में उसने बोला वाचलास रे वाचलास, which means बच गया रे तू बच गया.
तो this was said by
that figure जो उनको देखा. And he got shit scared because obviously यार रात का टाइम में अकेला है. And somebody is asking for बीड़ी, चल समझ में आ रहा था कोई मांगता भी, और उसके बाद कोई ऐसा बोल रहा है. सो ओ भाई, हाँ यार वो बोल रहे थे कि he felt थोड़ा सा बुखार उखार आया था. This is very common.
This is common when you experience all these things ना. Either you have one of your body side paining or you will have your temperature high. I don't know why it's common. I've heard a lot. I've experienced it twice, but this is what happens.
मेरे को भी बहुत सुनने में आया कि whenever you see something you get fever and all. Like,
I've experienced it, so I would not deny it. And also, they say that when you're walking around, if you get this fragrant smell, never turn around. Have you heard this?
तो मेरे को बता रही थी शायद. I guess you were saying that you were around a graveyard.
Graveyard, the same thing. The Shell petrol bunk, the first story that I was saying. So we were eating ice cream and petrol लगा दिया. So then I could hear the strong, अत्तर जो होता है ना, जो मुस्लिम लोग यूज करते हैं, that a very strong smell. It's a jasmine flavor smell.
Okay.
I mean, like आधी रात में कौन लगाता है बताओ? थोड़ी ना हम तो नहीं लगा रहे थे because we all were like stinking. Because long, I mean, office के बीच में गए थे हम लोग. So yeah, I've experienced this also.
And it's mostly because you want to, क्या बोलते हैं, वो person को attract करने के लिए they use these tactics where.
Yeah, I've heard this.
मतलब मेरी काफी मुस्लिम फ्रेंड्स है. शी इज ऑल्सो मुस्लिम गर्ल, ओके? Rabia. So उन्होंने बोला है when her mom has said कि one of my good friends was there कि रात को अत्तर मत लगाओ, strong fragrance मत लगाओ, बाल खुले मत रखो, which you also said that first thing
yeah.
जब तूने ये सब notice किया,
पहले जब you know when someone tapped on me I'm like oh shit, now this is the high time to tie my hair and I'm like okay. अभी भी मेरे बाल खुले हैं, I hope I'm safe.
This is a safe place, okay.
I hope.
यहाँ पे भगवान का फोटो है, आज ही मतलब थोड़ा बहुत रूम साफ हुआ है, रब रहा. Oh God, crazy. So तेरा एक और स्टोरी था, you said regarding the when you were तेरे घर पे.
The what do you call it as the ankle sound.
हाँ.
Oh man, don't remind me of that. I want to go back home and sleep. So what happened is again I was in a convent college again. I know you're tired of listening convent. हाँ तो convent college में थी मैं, डिग्री पढ़ रही थी. I would not again name the college. It's in Bangalore. तो नहीं नेम करना मुझे.
नाम मत लो यार.
नाम नहीं लूँगी but हाँ. तो क्या हुआ था कि I always used to get this dream of one of the sister.
Okay.
I'm not. I even now I can't figure it out. कि which sister is that? So we always used to have a principal as a sister and one teacher as a sister. But we used to have a lot of students as sisters, so I used to talk to everyone. But in my dreams, every time when I come back home and I used to sleep, exactly Rushabh after 1:30ish, I mean like I used to get this dream. I'm a kind of a person now. अगर मैं सो गई, it's very difficult for you to wake me up.
Okay.
But at that point of time in my life, when I was in my college, every freaking day, post 1:30, I used to have a dream. And as soon as I'm out of the dream, I used to sleep near the window. I sleep with my mom because I'm scared. So I used to sleep near the window. And I used to hear this ankle sounding. Again, chan, 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 chan. Twice, I tried telling my mom and my brother, guys, get me control, I'm very sad. They always say that you come home, you don't wash your legs, start washing your legs, read prayer and sleep. I started doing that as well for 2 days. Still the same. And then thankfully that day, my brother had come late home that day and we were still in the hall. I went to him slowly and I said, see, you don't believe me, come and listen to me. He came and then he was like, okay. I said, come, kaise nahi suna? And then he went back to her. He's like, we'll talk in the morning. I'm like, okay. And then he's like, obviously he didn't want you to say me na कि scare नहीं करना था मुझे, like नहीं कुछ नहीं है. But again, I was adult that time, not a kid. Like in school, जो experience हुआ. And then later on, when I went back to the school and I started talking to another teacher, right? And that time she asked me, do you walk around alone in corridor? Yeah. We used to have this different block, BCom, BBA, and BA. I don't know why BAs always gave the lowest priority and they used to get always this unstructured classrooms and stuffs like that. So I used to walk around all alone and then she asked me, yeah, I used to do that. Big deal, and like, what happened? She was like, no, Ramya, always take someone with you. If a teacher is saying that, that means there's something related to it. And I'm like, please tell me. So she's one of my best English teacher. Always English teachers are the best, no doubt. Then she was like, no, we have an auditorium where one of the sister had burnt herself alive.
Oh.
So, and then later we got to know that auditorium is now a classroom.
Is it?
Yes, is now a classroom. That's crazy. And after that, I have stopped going. That's it. You ask me not to go call the teacher and come out, I will never go there. I would never go there. बहुत डर लग रहा है यार, बस हो गया.
Guys, all the 3 experience was too personal.
Yeah.
I mean, the school wala though.
School wala is like forever gonna be my favorite one because people tell na ki I heard people saying that. No, I would tell I have experienced that, guys. So
especially देखो दिख रहा है, मतलब you can feel it and traumatizing होगा बहुत सारा.
I think that's the reason my mom was also be scared कि बाहर छोड़ना, नहीं मन जा तो बाहर बहुत चीजें. It's scary.
That is.
So I hope I'm safe while going home.
I'll make sure तू घर जाएगी मेरे को कॉल कर देना. चलो, thank you.
Thank
And
you.
it was really nice recording with her. And guys, if you like it, please like, share, and please subscribe. Okay.
If possible,
And-
please comment, guys.
Sure. And thank you again, Rabia. Okay.
Thank you so much. It was good talking. I hope I'm safe.
I'll promise you are safe. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. Thanks, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys.